Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Infinix Note 60. Before launching WhatsApp, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Open Settings, go to Google, and verify you're signed into the same account used when creating the WhatsApp backup. Open WhatsApp, select Language, agree and continue, allow notifications, then choose your phone number and click Next. Verify using missed call, voice call, or SMS code. Missed call is usually the fastest method. If verification takes too long and lags, close the app and reopen it. Now select Restore from Backup and click Continue. Don't skip this step. Click Next, enter your name and profile photo if desired, then tap Next. Everything has been successfully restored, including videos, photos, and messages. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.